Ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee, Best Company for Steel Manufacturing, Shri Vivek Rathi, Managing Director, Sai Steel Industries. We have the proud man himself coming up, so please.
Shri Vivek Rathi, the renowned entrepreneur who has built a unique brand, Sai Steel Industries, through his uncompromising vision and leadership. With 35 years of experience and business dealings in every Indian state, he has a deeper understanding of both India's diversity and its unity. His path has been extraordinary, filled with highs and lows, and a learning curve that has seen him go from scratch to generating crores in revenue. Congratulations, Shri Vivek Rathi.